And we're back with all the good stuff. What's the deal with sexual orientation, sexual identity, sexual essence? What's the deal with anal, oral, threesome, foursome, orgies, vanilla, and the mother of all, what's it like being single? I have a very distinct view on what soulmates and twin flames are. So I'm going to be sharing my 2 cents on what I call hedonic twins. Not my invention, I'm borrowing it from Morphogenetic Science, but I prefer the term hedonic twins instead of twin flames or soulmates. But I'm gonna bust a couple of myths about what's going on out there, especially in very well-meaning, sometimes less, sometimes more educational circles of relationship coaching, when they tell you what to expect, what to hope for, what to wish for, and how to manifest your soulmate or twin flame. We're gonna have a look at that. As well as, you just couldn't get enough of that, could you? You keep asking me about semen retention. So we're gonna get back to that. It just means that I wasn't absolutely clear on my stance on it. So, we're going to go round 2. This is going to be the second coming, and I will be absolutely clear on what I think about semen retention. It's bullshit. See you!